Hello everybody, it's Corvette Dan. Welcome back to the channel. We're at Corvettes at Carlisle Thursday. It is 2026 and we're going to do a sneak peek of everything at Carlisle this year, so buckle up and stay tuned. Let's give a quick shout out to Natural Glass Corvette Association. Natural Glass, yes! Where else but Corvettes at Carlisle are you going to see my Lime Rock Green Premier Edition, plus that one, plus another one. And you know what the crazy thing about it is? That one you just saw and this one, they're consecutive serial numbers. I don't even think they know it. That's awesome. I can see another one ahead. I've counted 5 so far of these things. It's pretty crazy. Let's see what else we can find though. Corvettes as far as the eye can see, including, that's the 5th Premier Edition that I've seen so far. They're just everywhere. I hear there's going to be 4,000 Corvettes here. They're still piling in. It's Thursday. It's the first day. It's early morning. But there's something for everyone here. It's pretty crazy. One of the displays you're going to see is the 30th anniversary of the Grand Sport. Check all these skunks out. There's going to be more of them. This is just what we see for today, Thursday morning. There's other displays too, but this is the Grand Sport. The Grand Sport registry is here. They're all beautiful. Made 1,001 of these. You can also see this display, the 50th anniversary of the 1976 Corvettes. There's a whole bunch of them here. You can see them all the way down. There'll be more of these tomorrow. Special display. 1976. I love this body style. It's still the Stingray. 50th anniversary display at Corvettes at Carlisle. There's plenty more where this comes from, folks. Let's keep walking. You've got all generations here. For example, you've got split window, Midyear C2s parked right by C8s, C7, look at that, a C3 convertible 454. There's a C6. Here's an LT1 Coupe Survivor, another C6 and a couple of C8s, all right next to each other. And out in the distance there is that Roswell green that some of you like. I personally love it. Let's get another look at this split window though. These are one of my favorites. Check that out. Fuel injected split, no less. Red over red. It's a 4-speed, you know it is. Yeah, someday. Anyway, there's more out here. Let's take a look. And for 25 bucks, you can win a Corvette ZR1 with the ZTK Performance Package. The Chip Miller Foundation right here this weekend. 25 bucks. Win this vet. I know I am. Don't forget to check in at Guest Services, which is right across from the finalists for Best of Show. Let's check some of these out. Check out this Aerolarri car. Let's go and check out this one right here. This is Glam Vet. This is choice number 8. This is the one we voted for. Check out Glam Vet on Instagram. Glam Vet number 8. This is the one we voted for. That's one heck of a car. You'd have to see it in person to believe it. A young lady owns it. Yeah, we got to get our younger people into these cars more. That's why we voted for her. Check out this blue one. We love this. Again, this is another finalist. So go ahead and head over here and vote for your choice for Best of Show. Right across the street from Guest Services. Also near Guest Services, you have the first aid in case you need it. Let's check out some more cars here, like this awesome looking C8. I love it. I love that blue. Rapid blue with the interior that matches. We got a C6 and a 70th anniversary. More C8. Here comes a C6 backing up. Ooh, well, one of my channel's favorites, the C5. This one's got a blower on it. Yeah, that's interesting with wagons. Some of you, most of you don't like the wagons, but let's think about this for a second. This thing is blown. It might actually be nitrous too, but why the wagons? Let me tell you what's good about these wagon wheels, folks. I guarantee you these are way stronger than those thin spokes. Most of us think of the C7 Grand Sport and the Z and even the Z51 as cracking rims. No, they were cracking rims back in the 5th gen. Wagon wheels, they don't crack. I've got 2 sets of them, as you probably know. Let's move on. There's a Grand Sport, there's a C6. They're just all over the place. Another good display that you're going to have to see is Chip Circle up ahead here. I think this is the Zeus Bronze. I don't know why I confuse this with caffeine sometimes. Let's get a closer look. This is the Zeus Bronze, correct? Love it. On that interior. Okay. That's nice. If any of you are having problems cleaning your Alcantara suede, I said it correctly, drop me a comment. I can tell you how to clean it. The product being used, I was asked, is called Sonax. I have a video that you can watch on YouTube that will tell you how to use it. It's pretty easy. You just have to kind of follow the directions. This is an awesome looking car. Let's move on. Check out this. Look, like the engine's in the front. I guess that's a neat touch. My wife might like that. That's kind of cool. If you would like to be a part of the role, King of the X. Here's another C5 with wagons. We know we love the wagons. We know why. Enough said. Don't forget Corvette Dan's favorite preferred car care products, Griot's Garage, based in Washington State. C5. Gotta show plenty of C5s. I know you want them. And absolutely one of my favorites, the ZR1 with the high wing. Yeah. That's all I can say. Really. That's all I can say. I'll give you a little piece of trivia that has nothing to do with Corvettes. To this day, I remember the very, very first words I said to Corvette Debbie, the very first time I met her. Those words were, "Why not? I'm being hunted down. Hi. Let's come on over." Here is the 2019 Grand Sport, last of the C7s. I like it. Love that color. What do you think? I'm into the grays. Black interior. 8-speed Corvette Club of Illinois. Yes. Now let's move on. Oh, here's some more C7s. Black Rose. Don't know what the name of this color is, but I dig it. It's another Grand Sport. Then we have a C8 here. 70th anniversary. It looks cool. That's the Z. Woohoo! All right. And while you're here, make sure you check out the massive automotive flea market, Corvette based, obviously. There's just rows and rows of stuff, you name it. Parts, even shirts. A lot of these vendors haven't even opened up yet, but I mean, just as far as the eye can see in all directions, you're gonna have parts and accessories. And I'm not just talking, you know, vendors of new stuff either. I mean, just a quick example here of some of the things you'll see. And I've seen so much of it already. Side pipe covers, you name it. I mean, come check it out. Got to give another look at some of these things. These hard parts that are hard to find, screws and grommets, okay? This guy's got bins and bins and bins and bins of them. So if you're interested in something like this, I know this is something that are hard to find. Also hard to find where you're going to get them from. Check out this guy. Pause it if you need it. Let's move on. Again, here's just another view of how far out the parts swap meet goes. It's crazy. They're just still setting up too. And it's right across the street from the Blue Bunny Candy Barn. Make sure you get your sweets. Another thing you're going to get to see is Midyears, as far as the eye can see. Here's this one example of them. They're actually across from these two. Oh, there's a C3 mixed in. That's okay. Like the red line tires. It's a base, it's a 69. It's cool. Oh, I love them. What do you think? Something for everybody here. Here's a 50th anniversary convertible. Hey George, shout out to my friend George who's got one of these. And as far as the eye can see, here's a 63 convertible and a C8. Ooh, look at that gray, that looks pretty good. On a Z. There's a 73. And there's more Midyears. They're still lining up. This is Thursday. This is the first day, folks. It's going to even get crazier. But for now, we'll keep looking. Ooh, check this out. 427 side pipes. Big block. Love it. There's the Roswell Green Z. Love that natural interior, I think it's called. Whereandwhen.com. There you go. Tire rack. Continental. Breast Cancer Coalition. Yes. Love that color. That Z. I love the interior. That's a nice combination. I like it. Again, I just keep showing beautiful car after beautiful car. I don't think I could actually, well, I think I could cover this whole thing. By the time the weekend is done, we are going to do just that. If you love Corvettes, you got to come here or you got to watch my channel. This is Thursday, folks. Again, as far as the eye can see, don't miss my videos this weekend. We'll be live streaming Saturday. They're still lining up. They're still coming in. As far as the eye can see. All right, let's get a look at some more of these cars here. Again, it's Thursday. We're checking out some Callaway supercharged Grand Sports there. Followed by a C5 and a mid-engine. Look at that silver. Gotta love it. Ooh, check out the 10x10 American flag theme. That's neat. As far as the eye can see, this is some of the things you're going to be experiencing here at Corvettes at Carlisle when you show up, and you will show up. If you don't, your only other option is to check me out. Corvette Dan on YouTube, Corvette Dan on Instagram, folks. That's where you want to tune in. But I digress. Let's just get you a look at some more of these cars. And as you can see, there's even first gen C1s here. So you have to get out and check this out.